Hi there, it's Ashlyn with WTI, and if you're struggling to organize your coffee corner like I was, you will definitely love this crystal Nespresso drawer by DecoBros. It has been such a space saver in our kitchen. We would always have like half-empty boxes laying out on the counter, but this helped us get rid of all that clutter. When you open the drawer, you can see that it has little indents that fit each little coffee pod, and it fits 42 pods. So you can fill this drawer full of all your favorite coffee, and it's right there at your disposal, right in the morning when you need coffee the most. I love too about this is the design of it. It is so sleek. This glass top just makes it look so nice in the kitchen. You just place your Nespresso machine right on top, and I fit my machine, a milk frother, my sugar, and it still just looks so clean and so nice. So if you're thinking about getting this coffee pod drawer, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.